Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you 3 sites where you can make possibly over $1,000 per month for basically doing nothing. Alright, you can almost be sleeping and do this. Alright, and it's all for 100% free. Alright, so you're going to want to stick around and see these details. We're going to get you started on here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to today's video. As I told you, I'm going to show you some easy ways that you can make almost $1,000 or more per month and don't really have to do a whole lot. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this. My name is Kevin Lehner and from kevin-lehner.com website. And guys, if this is your first time here to my videos and or you've been here in the past and you still haven't yet signed up or subscribed to the channel, well, just go ahead and reach down there now while you're thinking about it. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Okay? Alright, well, I'm anxious to show this to you with all the to-dos out of the way. Let's go ahead and get started in on this here. We're going to come over here to our Opera browser right here. And we're going to come over to this first site right here. It's called Rewardable.com. I don't know if you see this up here in the address bar or not right there. Rewardable.com. This site right here, the site that pays you cash. You see that right there? And this can be done, this is done on your cell phone. So if you have a cell phone, then you just simply download the app and you can get it for both Android and Apple iPhones as well, and probably the iPad tablet and so on and so forth. And what you can do here, got the most ways to earn online, it says here. And you can watch videos. That's pretty much how you're going to do nothing. You're just going to work with these videos. All 3 of these sites that I'm going to show you are like this, so be sure you stick around and keep watching this video here so that you don't miss any of these other 2 sites coming up here. Now, what the best way that you can make a lot of money with this, I'm going to share a little secret here with you guys, is if you have however many devices you have, the more devices you have, like cell phones, if you've got an extra cell phone laying around that you don't use anymore, as far as cell service, but it will connect to Wi-Fi, you can use it. If you have any other computers around that you don't use, like laptops or something, you can use those as well. So the more devices you have running, the more videos, for example, you could watch at any one time and just be racking up the points and or money here on this site. You can also do surveys on this particular site, and you can get into daily sweepstakes right here. And you can give product feedback, you can visit retail stores and answer trivia as well. And you can see here's how much money they've paid out. Look at it, it's racking up all the time. They've paid out to people. And it says here how it works. You can complete simple tasks such as surveys, videos, and sweepstakes, etc. And you get receive real cash through PayPal, it says right here. Cash out rewards, and you can grow your community status, it says right here. Receive bigger rewards and bonuses as your profile grows. And it's free to get signed up. You just download this app, sign up, and get started with Rewardable.com. You can see that this site has been featured on major television networks such as ABC, NBC, Business Insider, Daily Mail, Wall Street Journal, and CNET. And you can see some of the reviews here that they have. So this site here, you can make some pretty doggone good money with this site, even just by watching videos and doing nothing pretty much. You know, just let your videos run on all the devices that you can use on your account, and you could rack up some pretty good money on this site. Now, the next site that we're going to come to over here is called ernablecom. This site is the same thing here. Digital rewards and gift cards made easy. It's free to sign up here. By the way, guys, this is all available worldwide on all 3 of these sites here. And I'm going to show you. You can earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. Here again, you can watch videos on this site with as many devices as you want to use on your account. So the more devices you have running, the more money that you can make with this. Free to sign up. Just click there and get logged in. Now these sites probably will send a email confirmation, so you want to be sure that you check that. And then you can see here that they have offer walls here, and you can complete offers and get rewards. We reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks like watching videos and just answering some surveys. And you can see here how many points that you can make for 5 minutes worth of doing. This could be videos or surveys, and so on and so forth here on each one of these. And then you can get paid, of course, to PayPal for your cash. And then they have like Amazon and all these other company gift cards here, and even in Facebook as well here that you can get as well. If you like sports, you can get discounts or use your money with StubHub and get some sports tickets and so on and so forth. And then also they have a affiliate program here. You can invite your friends and earn more. It says share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers, and you'll earn 10% of their earnings for life, guys. That the more people you get to sign up that like this and do this same thing, you earn 10% of whatever they do. So there you go. You're making money online for, again, doing nothing. Here, basically nothing. That's if you don't watch any videos and you got all kinds of your friends and referrals underneath of you that's doing this and they're watching it. You're getting paid from what they do. So that's plenty of money that you can make right here on this site, and you can get started in under a minute. Just simply sign up and log in, but you want to make sure that you check for the email confirmation so that you can get your account confirmed with these sites if they send a confirmation mail. And then that's the second site. That's two sites that you can make big money with right there. And the third site we're going to come over here to is called Grab Points. You see it right here, grabpoints.com, right here in the address bar. grabpoints.com. Here at Grab Points, you get free gift cards. You can watch videos here, answer surveys, complete offers, and even for downloading apps like games and things like that onto your computer and make money through that way as well. As you can see right up over here, right above my head, it says guaranteed highest payouts on this site right here. It's free to join. You can join with your Google account or your Facebook account, or just create a local account right here on grabpoints.com. And it says here, how does it work? It says they have brands, advertisers pay, grab points for engagements. We recruit members like you and me, and you do online activities such as watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading applications, and more. And it says you can earn free gift cards, or they will pay you in PayPal cash. So all three of these sites pay by PayPal, guys. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy enough to get one. You just come right over here and just type in paypal.com and come over to PayPal here, and it's easy enough to sign up for a free account right here under personal, or if you want to have yours as a business, you can do that too. But it's free to sign up and get your PayPal account. And I recommend that you use the email address that you sign up for PayPal. You use that on these three sites that I'm showing you here to sign up for your account. It just keeps everything congruent and makes it easy for the site to pay you when it's time for you to cash out at your request, right? All right, so then if we come back to Grab Points here, you can see that you can also get paid through PayPal here, and lots of other different things. Like if you like these video games, they got Steam. If you play video games on Steam, Google Play Store, PlayStation Store, and Amazon, and all these other ones here, including Xbox. And some of the testimonials, look, they've got a 4.77 star rating out of 5 and 1,511 reviews from people that use this site to make money online. And as you can see, and so on and so forth. Now, when you get logged in, it'll bring you over to this page right here. And as you can see all the different things that you can do: paid surveys, watch videos, do offers, and then the reward store. And then here you can see they will send you an email confirmation right here on this site right here. So you want to make sure you check that out. Complete your profile, read the guides. It'll teach you how to earn points and redeem them for your money quickly, and earn your first grab points and complete your first survey. Now they've got their surveys here, all kinds of surveys, and they got a bunch more if you click the button down here, and that you can do, and you can see the amount of points that you can earn for these surveys. So you can rack up these points pretty quick. And as you can see over here on the side right here where it's showing you the current earnings of people, what they've got, these are all kinds of flags from all over the world. As you see here, United States and some of these other ones here, this is available from all over the world, and it's all for free. It doesn't cost anything. And you can do surveys, you can watch videos, and you can do offers here on this site. And you can see with like Zoom Bucks right here, you can make up to 10,000 points at one particular time by going through this particular link right here. And then they've got other ones down here, and they got more offers as well here. Just click the button here and get more offers. And then you can see some of the offer walls of the companies that have offer walls. If you notice over here on Earnably, you saw this symbol right here, Ascend Media, AdSend Media, AdSend. It's the same thing here, that same symbol. AdSend is here as well. And you can, here's watch videos and so on, all the different places that you can earn grab points with. Now, if we look down through here, you can see how much money that people have earned just in the last 30 days right here. You see this person here with this ID has earned $746.20 in the last 30 days. And it goes on down. You see some of these other people, how much they've earned in the last 30 days from watching videos, taking surveys, and completing offers on this site. You can see their points that they racked up and how much they've earned. They've cashed it out. It's $700, almost $800 there, guys. So there you go, guys. You can come over to these three sites, Rewardable.com, get the app on your phone and begin making money watching videos, doing nothing on this site. And you can come over to ernablecom and sign up here and watch videos on this site, doing nothing and basically taking a nap while these videos are running, and making money for you. And you can do the same thing on grabpoints.com. So if I were you, I'd come over and take action on all three of these sites and get signed up and get your devices rolling, playing these videos, and make your points rack up quicker. And it won't be long when you'll probably be making, like it showed here, like this person here off of just grab points alone, made $746.20. Between those three sites, guys, you should make well over $1,000 per month just on these three sites alone, and you're basically not even hardly doing nothing, all for free. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I wanted to show you today, is these three great websites that you can make up to $1,000 or more than likely per month. So all you got to do is come over and take action on this and get signed up and get busy. Alrighty, guys. Also, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you got the value out of this. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so that you get notified. And also, if you want to have your own online business, make sure that you check my link down there for my #1 recommended business, mentorwithkev.com. Come on over and check that out by signing up on my mailing list, and then check out the business at the back of my funnel the 15-day online business builder challenge with Legendary Marketer and get your business set up in about 15 days or less and have an opportunity to make up to $4,000 just in one day possibility. Alrighty? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'm see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day now. Bye-bye.